Hi friends! What makes the Yutong T7 the gold standard in premium business buses? From its debut in China to global expansion, how does it maintain its safety, reliability, comfort, eco-friendliness, and intelligence reputation? Let's dive into the details. Many business buses compromise space with crafted layouts due to bodiless constraints, but Yutong T7 breaks the mold. A generous 7.148 length with optimized seating arrangement creates spacious legroom. A 1925mm interior height and 1896mm width with a 740mm electric outward swing door and a 190mm low entry electric step for effortless boarding. The upgraded is active seats with widened backrests and cushions deliver premium comfort. NVH technology, EU standard eco-friendly materials, and an air purification system make every trip a pleasure. How do we take safety protection to the ultimate level? We conducted over 10 rounds of crash simulations at 50 km/h across multiple scenarios. Here's what the data shows. Over 50% high-stress materials, reinforced cross beams, and sidewall pillars fortify passenger safety, passed China's half-load rollover test at a 42 rollover angle, far exceeding China's national standard of 35. Validated through extreme tests, high temperature, high altitude, extreme cold, for reliability in harsh conditions. We found 80% of drivers prefer a vehicle that is dependable on the road. Here is how we engineer aircraft reliability. Vehicles are rigorously tested at 4,000 meters plateaus and extreme temperatures of 40. Components, assemblies, and the complete vehicle are built to last 600,000 kilometers. Integrated wheel hub bearings for significantly enhanced reliability. Every vehicle undergoes real-world scenario road tests before delivery to ensure market-ready performance. Some may ask, why isn't more automation always better? Our research found that 67% of users prefer intuitive safety. Technology that simplifies, not complicates. Every intelligent feature in the T7 is designed for safer journeys. It integrated electronic rear-view mirrors, reverse radars, and active safety systems like tire burst protection, collision warning, driver fatigue alerts, 360 surround view, tire pressure alerts, and reverse cameras. These innovations minimize risks and accidents, ensuring safety on the road. What defines a good vehicle is one that solves real-world challenges through technology. Yutong T7 rejects gimmicks. Every feature directly answers user needs. This is our engineering philosophy, redesigning mobility for real-world customer needs.